Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean your Mac screen. First, ensure your Mac is completely powered off and unplugged from its power source. This is a crucial safety step to prevent any electrical issues or damage. Next, gather your cleaning supplies. You will need a soft, lint-free cloth, ideally a microfiber cloth, which is gentle and effective. Avoid using abrasive materials that could scratch the screen. For cleaning, a small amount of water is often sufficient for light smudges. If you need something stronger, a solution of 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with water is safe for most Mac screens. Lightly dampen your microfiber cloth with your chosen solution. Never spray liquid directly onto the screen. Gently wipe the screen from top to bottom or side to side, then use a dry part of the cloth to buff away any streaks. It is crucial to know what to avoid when cleaning your Mac screen. Never use window cleaners, household sprays, ammonia-based solutions, or any harsh chemicals. These can damage the screen's anti-reflective coating. Also, steer clear of abrasive cloths, paper towels, or tissues, which can leave scratches. Be careful not to let moisture seep into ports or speakers, as this could cause internal damage. To keep your Mac screen looking its best, make cleaning a regular habit. A quick, gentle wipe down every few days can prevent dust and smudges from accumulating. Also, try to keep food and drinks away from your computer to avoid accidental spills and sticky residue. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.